Okay, guys, me back, trying my Twitch again. Twitch is glitch. uh, Maybe I should drop one of the two, of the three actually, because it looks like YouTube and Twitch. No. uh, no. Here we go. Finally. Let's add Facebook and we are good. Finally. Yeah. Let's add Facebook and we'll be good. It adds trouble, but I start getting followers on Twitch, so definitely worth it. Here we go. Okay, perfect. We are live, live, and live. Let's take a look at the market. It's me, Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice or political agitation, just my personal opinion. Let's see what markets have for us. Russell 2000 upthrusted, manipulated T1 with no volume, and then springed T2 with volume. It's not in the right level, but we see strengths. This is powerful. This is just powerful. Um, so is Dow Jones, 2-bar spring. And in 2 days, it will close in a break with the biggest volume. And the reaction bar. So volume distribution is not good, but that was a trade. That would need a test, but as always, closing hour. Yeah, biggest volume T1, volume spring, and boom. Right. Uh, that was wild, but that was no. You can't like see it as an entry because yeah, no, nothing. Um, uh, this volume is weird. So this volume is bigger than all the volume of this. It's not that biggest volume, but it's big. I don't know. It's freaky. It's freaky. RTS. Yeah, this is not a good level. My6. Oil. Intel, the trade I was wrong on. Well, it was a fraction, and yeah, it goes higher. Look how powerful the whole thing is. So if it doesn't come back, what I'll have to do, I'll have to put my loss of prematurely closing 1/4 of this position here and add it to the take profit of the rest of the position to break even. So this is weird. This volume. I failed to understand it. It's like the biggest volume. But it's in the that's why we need a reaction bar. It's in the right place on daily, but even for daily, it's a big volume. And in a couple days, if it closes above, doesn't correct at all. We need it. I needed to correct. I needed to correct magnet. Yeah. This all looks good. This all volume level is left below. This whole volume level is here. We don't see the selling yet. We just see the weakness. I don't see the strength. So someone like supplied all this demand right here. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. Look while Fuzzy Oracle. Good volume distribution, sign of strength on the interaction bar. That all looks good. All looks good. This guy's good for short. It's a balance, but this balance contradicts. It's in correction officially now, so um so um so it's this. It's in correction now. Oops. Yeah. This is too tight. This is like way too tight. Volume is interesting. Oh, and it broke the level anyways, so. Uh, oops. What are you doing here? And that's good for short. 24th of September. There was a lot of weird volume of 19th of September on many stocks. And this stock doesn't have any. 23 million on 24th. 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 Yeah, and only 6 on hours. So nothing significant on hours and this. It's like really. Might not be the volume. Comcast. Doesn't go. I'd be very cautious about this level now. So it just doesn't go. It did this up spring test and didn't go. Just broke and goes down. I'll close on the break. However, it will also close in correction right away, probably. Baba. Hmm. Biggest volume in 0.5. And then comes springs. The configuration of the spring needs a test. And gives a test goes higher. Or maybe even something 5 minutes. No, 5 minutes needed a closed manipulation signal. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to tell about it. Just continuation of the trend. This is continuation of the trend. See like how beautiful. Strength, weakness, strength, weakness, strength, weakness, and then slowly dies out. I don't know what to tell. This is a spring technically, but practically those are all good. Counter trend for the day trade only. Tun. I don't even want to like chart it because oops. Because day trade, I mean, and short, and that's not how I run. She's so cool. There's someone parking driveway. You probably heard it. 20 million, 20 million on 19th. Yeah, there's nothing even remotely close. Yeah, it's like 3.5 million. Like, stop kidding me. There's a lot of technical volume that happened on September 19th. Oh my gosh, there's a fight down there. She's tough. I don't know which part of it you were able to hear, but she's tough. Okay. Yeah, this is 0.5, but um, below the sign of strength. And that's again like 19th. Sorry, 19th. I don't believe you anymore. And there's like too much volume everywhere on specific date. It means that like firms were just clearing the books. 132 million on 19th. Yeah, 300. So not even close, not even remotely close. So I don't think I should be like concerned with this volume at all. Um, so yeah. Um, DHI Mandelas. Yeah, you see, all across the board, all across the board. Just for funsy, let me keep like the pointer. This is actually continuation of the trend. It's must. Mm, I'm not excited about where it is at all. I even charged it from my phone. You see, like this unfinished charging means that I was doing it from the phone while on set. um, while on set. If you see like uneven odd lines or um, unfinished charting, that means I was doing it while on set from my phone. Yeah, volume distribution is like, eh, it's the bigger volume in our face, two bigger volumes in our face. That's a spring for sure, and that's the last hour of the week. Not just the day, but the week, and it's in 0.5 in all the good places. Yeah. One bar reversal. It was down, down, down. And then would need a test, but went up instead. Let's keep on watching it. Yeah, this is like all charting from the phone. Craft, Heinz, company. This is continuation of the trend. And I want to keep my, you see, like this is regular volume on 19th. Also, hmm, and this is a good volume. This is a test level. Yeah, it was good for day trade. Dun, 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 dun. Um, yeah, this unvolumed spring. It's not spring technically. If it's unvolumed, it's just configuration of the spring, but really it's just manipulation. So should not be calling it a spring. I made a trade on this guy. Um, my trading coach is in disapproval, and I get it. It violates all the rules, but that's my seeing of how the volume was distributed. And the biggest volume is, of course, here. It manipulated the level again on volume, but not for long. I think it's gonna go lower. Yeah, all these volumes are not real. Actually, this still technically is good in continuation of the trend. And see, I was charting it. I was there. I was charting. Also, like if it's charted but not flagged appropriately, that means I also did it because like I don't know, it's very uncomfortable to like change the flag from the phone. You need to close the chart. I mean, you need to do this is volume spring, but it's not even close to 0.5. This thing is gonna break with exhaustion volume here. Oh, it's not a thing, it's a Google. And the fact that it's not terribly like huge, the volume of the spring, I mean, it's significant, but there's like bigger volumes. I don't know what to tell. I don't know what to tell you. And there was no entry anyway. It was quite violent. It was quite violent. Like this parking exchange I just witnessed. I don't know how much because my like microphone has noise cancellation. I don't know how much of it you were able to hear, but basically someone blocked the driveway and the other individual uh, was quite furious about it. And then they had an exchange. And he called her name, that was not good. Uh, for he blocked the driveway and then called her name. Bad, bad, bad. Yeah, something like this. So I don't know. Technically, oops, not you. Technically, it's 2-bar spring. Forget this volume. There's a sign of strength. I'll put it on an hourly watch, but Don't think it's any good. Don't think it's any good. I was like, these stocks don't have it, and it's yeah, those are Russian stocks, and boom, here comes the American stock. This all volume is balloony. I don't know how that happens and why, but if it comes here and up thrusts, this is 2-1. Well, maybe, baby. So like good for short. It will break the level, by the way, in a day or so. So what if market will continue galloping? Are you ready for this? I'm not. It's good in continuation of the trend. Short, not in the right place in monthly. It's at the support level. However, when did it stop me? It does stop me. Stop me from charging, from observing. Still observing. And I think I'm good at this point of my trading career, not doing compulsive trades or stuff, so I can safely observe the stock that I'm not planning to trade. That's our situation on hourly, even for like for the day trade. That even could have been like this, but it's it's like too high. It's too high. Way too high. And this is a sign of strength, by the way. It's interesting how our emotional body work. So just witness this like street rage. I was not involved in the verbal, so affected. You guys, there is no reason to get upset with each other. Absolutely no reason. It doesn't mean that you need to be fake nice to people who abuse you, or like in this case, the dude was wrong. He parked in the driveway, but she had like to honk and yell to get him out, but uh, there's no reason to yell at each other. That's my take. Yeah, it's approaching the level that like I wouldn't really be too excited about. The fake volume, not the fake volume, the book volume, we're gonna call it. Boeing does interesting thing in 0.5. Yeah, that was neglectable, so this would be the splash of volume. It's gonna close in correction in a day or two. And we're down our list. Yeah. I wanna go. So I think that's it for today. I have something like on my watch list too. I don't know what I'm trying to do with this guy. It went down, and then this spring. But I can't chart it like this because if this was a spring, then the level is here. I'm contradicting myself. But if anything was takeable here, it was here.